Good day. Today
Chloe,
is September
are you
11th,
excited to join me?
2025, and I am making this video to show you an update of where I am in the gardening process.
Okay.
Okay, Chloe wants to join me, but she doesn't seem to be listening today. And I'm not sure if this is going to work. Let's see.
Chloe, stay close. Stay close. Chloe? Chloe! Today, she was a naughty girl.
My husband just told me that I can come to the market after lunch, so I get to spend some time in the garden. Let me show you a full update. I'm very excited about where I am in this process right now. It's really becoming real. We're going to turn this area into one of these into a fire pit so that I can burn all of this debris that I still have here. But let me show you how the garden is coming along. I just saw a hummingbird fly over from the purple flower over there to the hummingbird over there. So this is coming along beautifully. And I found some rocks and started to add the rocks. I think today I will focus on this area over here, this little back area over here, and this area here. I want to maybe start off with picking up debris. I don't have my boots. My boots are getting